Hey friends, welcome back. You've probably heard the buzzword vector database. What's that really? We are going to learn that exactly in 2 minutes, and it's going to be very easy and interesting as well. Well, traditional databases store rows and columns, but GenAI apps don't just need raw data. They need meaning. There is where we get into the vector databases. Right. Enter the vector databases. Instead of storing plain text, they store vectors. That's the number lists that capture the meaning of words, sentences, and even images. Remember, for example, the word cat might be stored as a vector like 0.23 minus 0.54, 0.89, and so on. Words with similar meaning, like the kitten, will have the vectors very close to each other. So this way, it's going to help match similar ideas, not just keywords. So when you ask a question, your question will be turned into a vector matched against millions of other vectors, and then the closest, the most relevant answers pop up. This is how exactly RAG works too. This is similar to that. All right. You will find vector databases behind AI chatbots, intelligent search bars, product recommenders, and even co-pilots. Some of the top vector DBs out there in the market, yes, FAISS, Pinecone, ChromaDB, BB8, and many other are there in the market, and you can explore that further. In short, vector DBs are the memory system for smart GenAI powered apps. Want a demo of a vector DB in action? Comment vector it, and I'll be able to show you that in the next video. Until then, it's thanks from Sriram. Thank you.